Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility. A 64-bit CPU and 8 GB RAM make things smooth. Then enable virtualization in BIOS or UEFI because it improves performance and compatibility. Once done, download an Android x86 or Phoenix OS ISO and prepare a bootable USB using Rufus or Baelna Etcher. Use a 16 GB drive or larger. Make sure to back up data before partitioning, and decide if you want live USB, virtual machine, or dual boot. Each choice affects steps that follow. Booting from the USB is next. Set your PC to boot from removable media and select the Android installer. If you chose a VM, create a virtual disk with at least 16 GB and enable EFI. Otherwise, pick Install to Disk for dual boot. During installation, format the target partition as ext4 and create a 2 GB swap if you have less than 8 GB RAM. Once the installer writes files and installs grub, reboot to test the system. Make sure drivers and input devices respond. After booting into Android, finalize setup by installing Google Apps or Micro G so you can use the Play Store, and sign into your account. Then tune display DPI, input mapping, and performance options. This optimizes scaling and responsiveness for desktop screens. If apps crash or Wi-Fi and GPU acceleration fail, reboot into BIOS to recheck virtualization and secure boot settings, or try a different Android x86 build. Often switching kernel options or updating firmware fixes stubborn hardware compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.